The power supply is 380 volts. There are a total of 5 wires. The yellow one is the ground wire. The black one is the zero line. The other 3 wires are live wires. After connecting the wires, turn on the air switch. Turn on power. A red light will light up on this screen. The representative wire is connected correctly. If the red light does not turn on after turning on the power, just swap the positions of 2 of these 3 live wires at will. That's enough. Next, we will explain how to operate the RT-403A single wing packing drop testing machine. This set 1 represents the current altitude. Set 2 represents the test setting height. For example, now set to 800 mm. Press this key to set. This is displayed as 800 mm, with all zeros in front. Then press the set key to confirm. The machine should present the lowest limit position, which is 300 mm. Then we put the product on top. First, place the product in the center of this aluminum plate. Then loosen this screw. Pull this pole outwards. This pole can rotate and move. Then loosen this screw here. Press to the center of the product. Then tighten the screws. Then press the up button, reaching the set 800 mm. It will automatically stop rising. After reaching 800 mm and automatically stopping, we can start testing. Then press the drop button. If the next operation is needed, be sure to press the reset button. This is the reset button. Then press the drop button to drop to the lowest limit. Then press the reset button. Return the aluminum plate to its original position. Take the product away, and then carry out the drop test of the water chestnut in the carton. There is a groove in the middle of this aluminum plate to fix the water chestnut of the product. This point in the middle fixes the water chestnut of the product. Then tilt the test product on the aluminum plate and fix it. It is recommended that 2 people operate. The fixture also has a slot here. This slot holds the corners of the product. Then clamp the screw. Clamp here, too. After fixing the product, set the drop height to 600 mm. Press the set key and confirm. At present, it is the lowest limit. Press the up button. When it reaches the height of 600 mm, the machine will stop automatically. Now the machine has stopped. Then you can start the test. Press the drop button. This is the drop test of carton water chestnut.